Hey guys, what is up? We are back, and yes, I know I need to be stopped. As you can see from the title, we're doing an unboxing, but this time you guys know the brand FabFitFun, and boy, this is a nice chunk of money in here. I bet you spend 50 bucks to get $200+ worth of stuff. Why would you not? And it's like home, beauty, comfort, all of the above. So I'm excited to open this. Yeah, I'm really excited. It took a while to get here because a big brand like this, they send their stuff out like timed, like for everybody, like, oh, the 15th of the month or whatever. And I ordered it like October 20th. So it's a month later, it is here, and we're gonna get right into it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I don't know where to start. Let's look. Okay. We're gonna do this first. So, pure Moroccan argan oil, keratin, intense hair care. First of all, I love treatment masks, but if this is a keratin treatment, looks like we're having a giveaway because I obviously don't straighten my hair. Intense care for dry and damaged hair. Apply it to your wash hair, massage into hair and scalp, leave for 5 minutes. Okay. This is the first product, and it says it has keratin in it, so I don't know if I should put it in my hair or not, because I'm pretty sure keratin keeps your hair straight. We'll figure out. I'll look it up. Someone let me know whatever we gotta do. The next thing is Bite Beauty. Oh my gosh, it's a lipstick. I'm just obsessed with the packaging. Regular size lipstick. I have this. Sephora gave this out for birthday presents 2018, like this year. But they gave you a mini size, like this big. And now I have the full size one. Look at that. This, oh, I'm not gonna put it on right now. Oh gosh. Yes, yes, this is cute. I don't know how much the full size one is, but I think there's like a paper in here that tells you how much everything costs at the end. The third thing, a highlight stick. Ooh, ooh, yay. Okay, okay. I've never ever seen a highlight stick like this, but look at the color. Another champagne. That might just be my color. Ooh, it's like it's a crown. I'm scared to put this on. I feel like it'll just be a line. This is gonna be cute as soon as I learn how to use it. I'm gonna learn how to do my makeup. Oh, apply above and below eyebrows. It's for your eyebrows, like when girls be putting it right there. And then the one I got in my Ipsy will fit right here, and they match perfect. Okay, okay. Next, I got 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. Each oil is 33 fluid ounces. Okay. Let's see if I can open it up. Ooh, as soon as you open the box, you immediately smell them. This is the sweet orange. Oh my gosh, it smells like oranges, but like times 10, like sweeter. That's the name of it. Like, oh my gosh, it's like orange lemonade. That's exactly what it smells like, orange lemonade. It smells so good. And then this one, eucalyptus. Doesn't have a wrapper on it, but no, smell good. It honestly hurt my stomach. It's so strong, like, I don't know. But maybe it helps with headaches and stuff. I'm gonna have to look up what they do, because you're supposed to like dot them in certain places for certain things. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I read that somewhere. Next we have a Hava hydration cream mask. Quench your thirsty skin. It doesn't want me to open it. Gotcha. It is really creamy. Rubs in nice. It doesn't smell like anything, like it has anything in it. Just a normal lotion. But it's soft. Next we have over the knee rich pour women's knit socks. Ooh. These are gonna be so cute. I love the holidays. I love wearing nightgowns and big t-shirts all the time. But in the holidays, they're holiday themed. And this is gonna look nice with my red oversized nightgown. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a necklace. Okay, so it's a silver circle necklace by Lily. I'm not gonna try to pronounce the last name. I'm just gonna show you guys as we open it up. Okay, let's look. Oh, this is nice. I love simple minimalistic stuff. This is cute. It actually would go cute. Look at me just planning my outfits out for this upcoming winter. Forever 21 just opened back up and I might go like crazy. They have stuff for 99 cents, but you knew that. So we might have a Forever 21 haul coming. No telling that this is gonna look so cute with something I saw on the website. I like it. I like it. I love it. Almost. Okay, okay. Put that back in there real nice. I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7. We are on black. It's an eye mask. Yes, I need eye mask. You can see my little rig set up in the reflection. But this one is actually pretty sealed, so I'm not gonna try and open it right now. It sounds just like an eye mask, those under eye patches, or maybe it's one of those like sleep mask looking ones. We're gonna find out tonight because I'm trying all my stuff I've been getting because I definitely need it. And the last but not least thing is, oh, I don't know what material this is. A really nice blanket. And I love this color. I just got Pura Vida bracelets in this color. I don't know how to describe it. It's plush, but not fleece. Or maybe it's like fleece and plush. Fleece thread or something. I don't know. But thank you so much, FabFitFun. This was my first box. It was definitely like a lot of stuff. And I guarantee this alone probably costed what I paid for this box. So I want to know where the, I thought it told you how much the total was. Oh yeah, I think it's all throughout here. Yep, it sure is. Okay, so my Mark and Graham color block throw is $49. So that alone was more than I paid for the box. And then the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask was $49. So the silver necklace was $49. The socks were $24. The Bite Beauty lipstick was $26. The essential oils are $31. The highlighter was $24. I paid $35 for the box and the socks. So there's 3 things that were less than what I paid for the box, but everything else topped it. So this box was worth $290, around there. $290 to $300. And I paid $35. I'm a fan, and you only get 4 boxes a year. It's seasonal. So I'm excited to see what I get in the summer box, because I'm a summer baby. I love the summer, and they haven't disappointed on their first round. I look forward to it. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you get FabFitFun and you got any of the other gifts, I know they have like a certain random number of selection, and you want to trade, hit me up in the comments. Hit me up on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all of the above, honestly, and let me know what you want. I'll let you know. If I want to trade, I'm sure I'm down. I really don't care. And thank you guys so much. And to make sure you are entered in my giveaway, there's giveaways going on, and I will see you guys soon.